So in this video, I will be showing you how you can delete a staff or a teacher in CloudNote. Trust me, this is quick and easy. So first of all, let's head over to our CloudNote account. Once we've logged in and we've head over to our lobby page, right at your lobby page, you should click on your school or your space. So once you click on your school or your space, what we need to do now is to go over this section that says user management. Now let's click on user management. Now let's move over to a section that says staffs. So let's click on staffs. Now let's say this is our staff right here, Aguchino. So now let's say that we want to delete this staff. So how do we do this? Let's move over to this section, these three dots at the end of this place right here. Now let's click on it. Now as you can see, delete. So the moment we click on delete and we click proceed, we have deleted this staff. So this is how you can delete a staff in CloudNote. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, then let us know in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe, make sure to leave a like on this video, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.